Infinite Machine is a New York-based company that's focused on making the best non-cars on Earth.
We believe that the future of transportation in cities is not cars, but smaller, smarter, more beautiful vehicles. And we have really big plans to rethink how transportation is done in urban environments.
When we look at cities in the United States and across the world, we see the bike lane as the next transportation frontier. It's a nascent transportation medium that's growing in popularity everywhere in the world.
There are cars everywhere. There are cars stuck in traffic, there are cars parked on the sides of the street, but it doesn't need to be that way. Alto is Infinite Machine's view of what the ultimate bike lane vehicle is. We started with P1, our high-performance electric scooter that we obsessed over every millimeter of.
We challenge ourselves to think about what would a bike lane vehicle be from first principles. Knowing everything we know about making vehicles, about P1, about the entire stack, the global supply chain, like how do we take all of that learning and apply it to a smaller form factor that is meant and made for the bike lane?
You can get anywhere in a city instantly, frictionless, no license required, no registration required, no insurance, and you can take advantage of this incredible new infrastructure that exists in cities around the world.
We've labored over every detail of Alto to make sure that it was intuitive and easy to use. It has simple things like internet connectivity, and that allows you to give a key to a friend or unlock it or track it. It allows simple things like you walk up to the vehicle, it knows you're there and it just unlocks.
All the aspects of Alto are very thoughtful. From the switch pack, which is where the buttons are and you interact with the vehicle, to the pedal formation, how you can put one into a forward position and be in a much more comfortable riding position. The seat opens up to expose an underseat battery that's very easily removable, that can plug into a dock. And the suspension is completely hidden away from view and allows the vehicle to be much more minimal and more approachable to a person. The vehicle has an alarm system. You will get notification if the vehicle is moved. It has a steering lock that prevents the handlebars from turning. It has a rear motor lock that prevents the vehicle from being pushed away. Everything is thought about, whether it's where you interact with the vehicle or where you're sitting or how you're moving through space.
When we think about designing products at Infinite Machine, we're not fixated on any one specific component, like the motor or the battery, but really the symphony of how all of these things come together to make an incredible experience.
Today with ride sharing and public transportation, it's very much you go from A to B and you're in somebody else's terms. And we think with Alto, it's a facilitator for exploration. It allows you to get lost. It facilitates these magical experiences of discovery. Like one of the great parts of New York City is the entropy. You never know what you're gonna find. And so with Alto, you can kind of just ride around the neighborhood and explore the city.
There's the old cliche about the journey being the reward. And on Alto, you feel that. It's not just about going from point A to point B, it's about the experience itself. We designed Alto to unlock doors, to open new experiences. And we think that there are going to be a lot of new memories that are created with Alto.